In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Reddit posts that get upvoted. First, you need to actually create a post. Log into your Reddit account, and once you're on the home page, look at the top right of the screen for the Create button. Click that, and Reddit will ask you which community you want to post in. Use the drop-down at the top to select the subreddit that fits your topic. Then choose the type of post you want to make. It can be text, images and video, a link, or a poll. For this tutorial, we'll focus on a text style post because that's where structure really matters. Start by entering your title and your main content. The title is your hook, and it's the first thing people see when they're deciding whether to click. A strong Reddit title combines a clear hook with a curiosity gap. For example, I stopped checking my phone in the first 10 minutes of waking up for 30 days. Here's what actually changed. This works because it's specific. It hints at a story and a result. It makes you wonder what happened, and it's relatable. The simple rule here is good Reddit titles describe a specific experiment and tease the outcome without giving everything away. Next, your opening line should give instant context. Instead of a long backstory, start with a behavior people recognize, like, I used to wake up and immediately scroll Reddit, Twitter, and messages. This pulls readers in quickly because they see themselves in that habit right away. Then describe your simple experiment. For example, 30 days ago, I decided to change one thing. No phone for the first 10 minutes after waking up. Reddit users respond well to small, testable experiments, not huge, complicated life overhauls. One clear change makes your post easy to understand and easy for others to imagine trying. After that, walk through a progress timeline, such as by day 5, by week 2, by day 30. This gives your post a beginning, middle, and end, and creates emotional payoff as people follow your journey. When you share your results, keep the outcome honest, not exaggerated. Saying something like, "It's not a life-changing hack," makes you sound credible and avoids clickbait. Lower hype usually means higher trust and more upvotes. Finally, end with a relatable takeaway and a light invitation. For example, if you struggle with mornings feeling chaotic, this might be worth trying. You're turning your personal experience into something others can apply, without pushing or selling anything. Once you're happy with your title and content, scroll down and choose whether to save it as a draft, schedule it, or post it right away using the button at the bottom right.